कार्यक्रम म्हणजेच इंग्रजीमध्ये आमच्या शाळेतील मुलं किती उत्तमरित्या इंग्लिशमध्ये कम्युनिकेट करू शकतात, संवाद करू शकतात, या संदर्भात आजचा हा कार्यक्रम आहे.
My name is Harish Nileje. I study in senior KG. My school name is SNRG English Medium School, Godka. Good morning, everyone. My name is Jiyan Samule. I study in junior class. My school name is SNRG English Medium School, Godka. Which is the national fruit of India? Mango is the national fruit of India. Which is the national flag of India? Tiranga is the national flag of India. Which is the national animal of India? Tiger is the national animal of India. Which is the national game of India? Hockey is the national game of India. Which is the national bird of India? Peacock is the national bird of India. Hello everyone, my name is Khushi Rajendra Pate. I am 6 years old. I study in first standard. My school name is SNRG English Medium School, Gorga. My favorite subject is science. I enjoy dancing and drawing. My favorite color is black. And my favorite food is dal rice. My father name Rajendra Pate. My mother name Mamta Pate. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Lavanya Nilesh Kori. I study in junior class. My school name is SNRG English Medium School, Gorga.
GK questions for that I will call Harshita and Harish.
Good morning everyone. My name is Sarin Nileje. I study in senior KG. My school name is SNRG English Medium School, Godga. Good morning everyone. My name is Harshita Rahul Kumar More. I study in junior class. My school name is SNRG English Medium School, Gurgaon. What is the capital of India? New Delhi is the capital of India. Who is the Prime Minister of India? Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of India. Who is the Chief Minister of Maharashtra? Devendra Fadnavis is the Chief Minister of Maharashtra. How many bones are there in a human body? There are 206 bones human body. How many cells organs there are in a human body? There are 5 cells organs. river in the world? Nile is the longest river in the world. Which is the highest mountain in the world? Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. How many colors are there in a rainbow? There are 7 colors in a rainbow. Thank you. Thank you.
कोणता प्राणी कोणत्या घरात राहतो हे आपल्या समोर तो इंग्लिश मध्ये सादर करणार आहे.
Good morning everyone. My name is Love Sagar Patel. Home's animal. Dog lives is camel. Elephant in a grassland. Tiger lives in a tent. Monkey lives in a tree. Ant lives in a anthill. Cat lives in a cattery. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Diksha Umesh Patil. I study in third standard. My school name is SNRG English Medium School, Gurgaon. My family is very good. It is a nuclear family. There are 6 members in my family. We live together very happy. I love my family very much. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Sarveda Tatra Patil. I study in first standard. My school name is SNRG English Medium School, Gurgaon. Good morning everyone. My name is Param Rahul Patil. I study in first standard. My school name is SNRG English Medium School, Gurgaon. Who invented the light bulb? Thomas Edison invented the light bulb. Which is the capital city of France? Paris is the capital city of France. Who is the father of the Indian Constitution? B.R. Ambedkar is the father of the Indian Constitution. Which is the minimum voter age in India? 18 years is the minimum voter age in India. Which is the tallest animal? Giraffe is the tallest animal. What is the capital of India? New Delhi is the capital of India. Which is the national language of India? Hindi is the national language of India. What is the chemical symbol for water? H2O is the chemical symbol for water. Thank you. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Jagdish Chandra. I study in first standard. My school name is SNRG English Medium School, Gurgaon. Good morning everyone. My name is Dhanasri Narendra Sonan. I study in first standard. My school name is SNRG English Medium School, Gurgaon. What is your name? My name is Dhanasri Narendra Sonan. Why are you late today? Because I miss my bus. Where do you live? I live in Verode. Who is the class teacher? My class teacher name is Miss. Thank you. Thank you. English Medium School, Gurgaon. Good morning everyone. My name is Harshita Kumar Mole. I study in junior class. My school name is Carefully. ध्यान से सुनो. Don't tell me. मुझे मत बताओ. Look up. ऊपर देखो. Come here. इधर आओ. Thank you. धन्यवाद.
सर्व ग्रामस्थांना बंधू भगिनींना सगळ्यांना विनंती करेल की त्यांनी शाळेत यावं आणि आजच्या या छोट्याशा कार्यक्रमात सहभागी होण्यासाठी बघण्यासाठी सर्वांचा मनापासून आभार. सर्वांना मी विनंती करेल की वंदे मातरम साठी सर्वांनी उभं राहायचंय.
वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां सस्यश्यामलां मातरं वन्दे मातरम्. शुभ्रजोत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी फुल्लकुसुमित द्रुमदलशोभिनी सुहासिनी सुमधुरभाषिणी सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं. भारत माता की वंदे